guys, this is another video. This is Aubrey Evans, and today this is our first reaction video, and we are gonna react to
Hi guys, I'm Cinnamon host Ken. And today we are playing a game called Don't Spill Your Coffee, a game I assume is all about not spilling the delicious brew that we've created for ourselves. And here we are, we've created our guy here. I got a fro and a nice beard to match. It's all pink and my beautiful teal skin with green shirt and of course the green shoes to match. And my pants, I don't know, maybe I can have some pink pants. That actually kind of looks nice, doesn't it? Or blue pants. Those pink pants, red pants, pink pants. All right, let's play. Level 1! Don't spill your coffee! Oh, God. All right, I'm spilling my coffee. I don't know how to control this. Okay, this walks. Yep. Yeah. What do I do? Okay, here we go. Okay, that's weird. Okay, all right. Woo! Don't spill your coffee. Right stick or mouse. What's going on? It's like the further I walk. Okay, I get it. You gotta friggin' move the mouse forward while you walk. That's okay. Yep. Hang on. Let me turn around. I want some coffee. How do I push the button here? Do I just walk up to it? Push the button.
just in case if you don't know this guy. I'll try and read it in the comments below if I can. I don't really know if I can, because I'm new to this whole entire video making thing.
Push it? Well, I guess the button has been pushed. We will continue. God, what? Okay, continue on our way here. Open the door! Open the door! I can't get in the door. No! Get up! It's okay! It's okay! Can I get back up from this position? Can I ever stand up again? I spill my coffee everywhere. I'm out of coffee. Okay, so there's a sensor and then the stuff is supposed to turn, right? So I spilled coffee Oh, I see. I got actually a coffee mug up in the corner there. Up. Tells me about how much coffee I've spilled or not spilled currently. Come on, you can do it, buddy. Sensor? Is that the sensor? Did I do it? Up. Hang on. Something weird's happening. Okay, we're cool. We're cool. Yeah, I did it. Oh, we can go through the door now, I think. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Oh, yeah. Hey, level complete. Units. What? Oh, points. Leftover coffee, 68%. Go to the meeting late. You forgot what it was about. Press A to continue. Shadow play, level 2. Well, this is like the same. Delicious. Caffeine boost. Whoop. Oh, I'm so fast now. Guys, places to be. Ah! Oh, no! Backflip. God dang, I tried to drink some. I got a caffeine boost, though. I'm feeling it. Whoop. Yeah. Headbanging. That was like I get a caffeine boost for spilling on my shoes. That doesn't make sense. All right. Deep. Don't spill the coffee, baby. Gonna spill the coffee all over the place. Got places to be, girl. I gotta push the button on the wall. If I get the button on the wall, I'll push it, but I can't really get there at all. Caffeine boost, yeah. How do I hit it? Is that it? Where is it? Hello? Oh, there. Hello, button on the wall. What do you want me to do? God dang it! What the heck am I supposed to do? How do I push this? Open sesame, please. This is just a sentence, right? Just open the door. I don't think I understand what's going on here. Not at all. God dang it! No! Why? Shadow play. So maybe I put my shadow in. I love coffee. So delicious. Oh God, it's so good. I just can't stop myself. Hey, maybe my car key's in my back pocket or something. Maybe that's why I even freaking have a wallet. Oh God, now my freaking mouse is off the screen. All right, baby. All right, baby. Oh God. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up, girl. Back it up. Back it up some more. Rub your butt all over it. Come on. Ah! I did it. Okay, here we go. Go and just walk through to my meeting. Don't worry, guys. I figured it out. Oh, freaking right. Yeah. Yeah. 5% left of my coffee, girl. Oh, you like that? You got into a meeting groggy. You didn't say a word. Is that because I didn't drink my coffee? All right, squat time. What does that mean? Get some squats in. We just drink some coffee here. There we go. Okay. That was weird. That was weird. Oh, good. All right, let's get to shift and what's up? Oh, God. There we go. Okay, that was weird. That was weird. Oh, good. All right, let's get to friggin' squat time, whatever that means. Oh, God. Okay, move your butt. Shift, and what's up? Oh, God. Okay. We gotta move our butt. We're gonna move our butt all over this thing. Here comes our butt. What do you want me to? Oh, I did it. All right. Now we just gotta. We're going places, guys. We're going. Almost did it. We got this. Why? Backflip. All right. How do you do this? God. So do I like? It's on my toes. So like bend over. Oh yeah, we gotta squat. Squat down. Squat time. We're gonna do it this time. We gotta drop it low down the flow, girl. Here we go. Dropping my coffee a little bit. It's okay. Spin that thing around. Spin it around, girl. You know, you know how you like it. I know how you like it, girl. All right. Hold shift and pop, lock, and drop it. Come on, drop that thing down. Get low, girl. Oh God, too low. Worst. Scan it. Oops. Whoa. Alright, we can do this. Shift and drop it low. Drop it low to the flow. Oh! Okay, let's stand back up. Come on! Oh! Come on! Okay, it's okay. Oh God. It's okay. Just stand up. Have a little coffee to drink. Delicious coffee. Alright, I got 13 seconds. Alright, come on, buddy. You can do this. We can do this. We can. Come on. Oh God, I can't even control him now. Get in there. You got like 2 seconds. I'm stuck. No! We can do this. Back it up a little bit. Back it up. And now we do this right here. Up. Give the old stanky leg. Oh, come on. Scan it. Scan my butt. Why? Come on, baby. Come on. Scan my butt. Scan it. It's all on you right now. I'm rubbing it all. All the way. Oh, this is a lot easier with the controller. Wow, I should have been in this to begin with. All right, left trigger and left stick. Whoop. Yeah, girl. Break it down. You like that? Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Dang it. Now I fell on the ground. All right, spin like so. And, all right, we're getting in. Come on, buddy. Come on. You can do it. All right, we're going in. Come on. Work it. Why do I freaking, go towards the wall? I don't understand. Scan my butt. Scan it. Scan it. Oh, no! No! Why does this keep happening to me? Oh, yeah, I like that. You like that? Scan my butt. For real, what's the deal? That booty though. That booty though. I got something in my butt. All right, come on. Come on. Come on. Straighten up, fella. Get in there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Take a seat. I can do that. I can take a seat. I'm like #1 seat taker now. I've been having a lot of practice. Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna come over here and take a seat on this, right? Hang on. Just back it up a little bit. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You like that? You like that? You like that? Alright. Hang on, I'm leaning against the wall. I can't quite stand up. I think I'm a little leant back, but it's okay. We're gonna make it. Oh yeah, get in there. All right, let's get in there. Yeah, I was late, but I made it. Woo! Yeah. Ramp climber. All right, we can do this. We can climb a ramp. If I can dodge a wrench, I can dodge a ball. All right, ramp climber. This is it. Climb that ramp. Easy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. That was the easiest one. That should have started out with that one. Good lord. What's the deal? What's the deal? Oh, too easy. Yeah, got to your meeting. Yeah! Woohoo! Do the limbo! Alright, that means we're gonna lean way back, right? I mean, I can do that. I can lean back. Yeah, that's all I've been doing this game while I'm walking, I just lean. Alright, so, like this? Not quite! Not quite! Ah! So just lean. Zigzag. Oh, there's a little zig in our zag here. Okay, we got this. We got this. Why? You can do it. Get in there. Get in there. All right. You got your meeting. Lose focus. Take a step. You can do that. You can take steps. Right? We can do that pretty easy, right? We can just step up here. Wait. This is not easy. Just get up there. Just get up there. Right. Do I like gotta... Oh, I see. I see what we gotta do. God. Okay. It's 1 foot. 1 foot. And now we spin. Oh, yeah, there we go. Sweet. I hope I don't, like, fall whenever I step down now. Ah, come on. Turn around, you doofus. All right, let's get us some coffee. Here and go. Yeah, we did it. We took a step. Our first step. Yay. Balance beam. All right. I've had my morning coffee. I think I can handle this. Oh, I did it. Can I just jump off the side here? Whoop. Yeah. Yeah! 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 Got some caffeine! I'm stuck. There we go. Woo! Yeah! We did it! Woo! Zigzag. Oh, there's a little zig in our zag here. Okay, we got this. We got this. Oh God. A little too close to our zig is getting a little zagged. Come on now. Just scan my butt. Scan my butt, please. Oh, God. Ah! Woo! Yeah! Oh, God, no, I'm stuck on the... Come on, buddy. Get to work. Get in there. Get in there. Yeah! Meeting sleepy. Terrible decision. Dang it. All right, boxy. Should be easy. It's just a box, right? The heck is this? Can I, like, just get on my tiptoes? Scan my butt, please. All right, so I gotta, like, step into this. You just give it a little stanky leg up here. Come on. It's a little higher than the other one is, wasn't it? Isn't it? You get it. How do I get my... Okay, here we go. Stand up and... Oh, no! Come on. Get that leg up in the air, buddy. Get that leg up there. Hop that leg over there. Get up there. Ah! Alright guys, that's enough of this game. I don't know how to beat the final level, so if you know how to do it, you can let me know down in the description.
Also, the perfect time to end the video. And I'm gonna just do it now with all my time that I got. So, even though that I only have 1 subscriber, I think, okay, I don't know. Thank you. If whoever did, and well, we have to go. Goodbye. Just